Welcome to Silent Letters. In English, some letters are written but not pronounced. Today, we will learn about silent B and silent L. These letters appear in words, but you don't hear them when you speak. Let's start with silent B. The letter B is silent in some words. Look at the word climb. It's spelled C-L-I-M-B, but we pronounce it as climb. The B is not pronounced. Another example is lamb. It's spelled L-A-M-B, but we say it as lamb. Again, the B is silent. Here are more examples of silent B. The word thumb is spelled T-H-U-M-B, but we pronounce it as thumb. No B sound. The word debt is spelled D-E-B-T, but we say it as det. The B is completely silent here too. Now let's learn about silent L. The letter L is silent in certain words. The word talk is spelled T-A-L-K, but we pronounce it as talk. You don't hear the L. Another example is walk. It's spelled W-A-L-K, but we say it as walk. The L is not pronounced. More examples of silent L. The word half is spelled H-A-L-F, but we pronounce it as half. The L is silent. The word calf is spelled C-A-L-F, but we say it as calf. Again, the L is not heard. Two more words with silent L. The word chalk is spelled C-H-A-L-K, but we pronounce it as chalk. No L sound. The word wood is spelled W-O-U-L-D, but we say it as wood. The L is silent in this common word. Now it's time to practice. Look at the word knob. Can you identify which letter is silent? The K is silent. We pronounce it as knob. Next, look at the word psalm. Can you find the silent letter? The P is silent. We say it as psalm. Let's review what we learned. Silent B appears in words like climb, lamb, thumb, and det. Silent L appears in words like talk, walk, half, calf, chalk, and wood. Practice by listening to native speakers. This helps you recognize the patterns in word endings. Keep practicing these words to improve your English pronunciation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.